Hi guys, namaste, sasrikal, swadikap. Welcome to Net Show Academy. Today we are going to show you how to make a YouTube channel art. So we have 5 points, which is here: YouTube channel art, features explanation, size, background, and position. This is the best idea one of my friend gave me yesterday after uploading our first video on Net Show Academy. So let's start. Let's start with the this. We have to go to the templates. We have to choose the YouTube channel art. We have clicked on that, and now, as we can see, there are many designs. The best thing in Canva, guys, is you can choose any of these design and just change their text, or you can put your logo on there, so it will be very easy to make. But I'll go a little bit more with these options about features, So for that we have to choose create a blank YouTube channel art. So we have clicked on this. So we are here on the main screen with editing screen, sorry. So as you can see, there are many features. One by one I'll explain you as much as possible. So the template is already chosen. So you can see, as you can see, the search option is there. You just clicked on this. We have just clicked on this and we can write Facebook. So Facebook, if you will write, Facebook will come up. If you will write Instagram templates will come. All the templates are here. If you want to search, you can check with the search option also, but the templates are already showing here for us what we really want to make today. So the upload, everybody knows, you want to upload anything from your Mac or PC, you can upload here and it will show you like that. So there is a third option, is of photos. Photo, basically I'll tell you now, there are two features. One is free, second is pro. If you are using pro, you can use the pro photos without any cost because you are already paying every month. But if you are on free version, so they will charge $1, $2 for a photo. So this is the element option. You can choose the element. You can just search the elements like flower. Okay, the flowers are here. These are the flower elements, So just click it and delete it because we don't want. And flower animation is also there. Okay, so these are the flower animations. You can choose. You can use for your work. And the fifth option is text. Here are the texts you can use. You can choose for your work, for your designs. You can choose any design. This is my design actually. My Net Show design, Net Show font. I have already saved on Canva. So right now we will go for the style. Style is already there. Again, this is the Net Show style, but again you can see a lot of designs are here trending, which is trending, so which is on trending. So the other option is videos. Other feature is videos. Now as you can see, there are again some videos are paid on pro, some videos are free, like these. You can choose whichever videos you like with a background if you are making some video kind of stuff. But today we are making the YouTube channel art, so we will not choose any of these. Background is background. Again, there are photos for the background. Folder is like the things you have on Canva, like logos. I have some logos already saved on Canva, so I can use it very, very fast. So you can just save it on here and then use later whenever you want. Folder was this, and the more option is you can link your Facebook account, YouTube account, Instagram account with the Canva. So we will go with the template. This was the features. Okay, so we will choose the template. To choose the template, we don't have to search. We can see here only. So we have selected this. It's fine actually. It's very clear, more clear. So we just have to select. We have clicked on this, and we can now. These are the features. I'll tell you everything now. So we just have selected this and we have deleted from this delete option. I'll try not to use my keyboard so much, but so it will be easier to understand. So this thing also you can just choose two things, these two elements, and then just delete it from here. Now what we want is we need the logo. If you have the logo saved, is fine, you can go for the folder and choose your logo. But if you don't have the logo, then choose your text. Okay, choose this, and again, as you can see this white point, you can click on this and pick it up, make it bigger with this. Okay, so make sure the third option is size. Point in this video is size. First was YouTube channel art, second was features explanation, third is size. Size is matters in this YouTube channel art. Okay, because if size is too big, it will not show the perfect word. The whole word will not show you on the mobile. It will show you on the TV, it will show you on maybe on the Mac. Yeah, on the Mac it will show you, but it will not show on mobile. So what we have to make sure about the size. So we are making a little bit more bigger, and we are going to change the text inside. Double click on this inside, delete, obviously with the keyboard, write your channel name. This is the net show. Now you can, this is the font option, you can choose any font you like. Okay, now we don't need to change the font, but we can make it little bolder. Yes, like this. So again, there is a more option, text color. We will choose the text color, or we don't want to choose the text color. It is all up to us, but I think it is fine. This is fine actually. We don't want to change the color. Net show, make it little more bigger, but make it sure this is going to match with your background, and make sure this is in the position in the center. Sorry. So the fourth point in this video is background. What you have to do, make sure this background is matching with your logo. And the fifth point in this video is position. Make sure this is always in the center, so it is very easy to upload your logo on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or wherever you want to use this logo. Okay, so the net show channel art is ready. What we have to do, we just have to go to the download option. Yeah, or before going to download option, if you want to use element here for your YouTube channel art, you can choose the animation element, sorry, not the animation, because it will not show animation on YouTube channel art. So we need the element. If we need the element, what do we need? We need okay, just type it show. This is the show. Okay, so you can get this popcorn. I will feel hungry with this popcorn already. Okay, so keep this popcorn here. If you want, make it bigger. You can also rotate this popcorn. Also, you can delete this popcorn because it is not matching. So these are the elements you can use with your logo. Okay, so we are not going to make use any element, so we will just download this thing. Now on the download they are showing us PNG suggested size. PNG suggested size meaning is about the pixels and about the size of the file. If you will make little bit 3, if you will, size will be pixels will be high, it will, the length the size of the file will be bigger, so you cannot upload on the YouTube channel art, because they have the required size is there all the time. So 2560x1440 pixel into 1440 pixel is suggested by Canva and the PNG file. Today we don't have to choose this transparent background, and these two things are always all, because you can see the pro signs all the time. So these things are in the pro, so we don't have to choose anything. We just have to download this, click on this, and preparing your design is ready. It's very fast. Okay, just change the name YouTube channel art, keep it in the desktop, save it, and here you go. Now you can just check your download from the download option, your download file. Downloaded file is here. You can just upload your logo on your YouTube channel. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. If you like our work, do hit the like button. Share this video with your friends and family. Don't forget to comment on comment box. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.